We are here at Hitachi's Amsterdam factory, and today is a great day for this factory and the machine standing behind me, waiting to be picked up for its first Scandinavian customer. Starting with the front end, this machine is equipped with a reinforced arm and special hydraulic circuits prepared to drive hydraulic-driven forestry attachments. Also, the undercarriage is built for forestry application. It has got more ground clearance compared to the standard model and some reinforcements on the front idler area and the travel motor covers. The travel motor is also equipped with higher performance, so more drawback pull to withstand slopes and muddy conditions. The base machine is a 135 US forestry, which means it's a short radius machinery in the 14 to 15 ton class. The machine is also equipped with a reinforced operator cap, which gives best protection for the operator and excellent visibility through the wide windows. The front window is protected with an OPG level 2 front guard, which protects the operator, and the additional roof lights and the lights on the boom give excellent visibility even under dark forestry conditions. The last thing I'm going to show you this morning before the machine leaves the factory is a refueling pump, now equipped with a filter to avoid contamination of the fuel in rough and dirty condition.